Hi, in the previous chapter we learned about variables. So now continuing to the variable topic, I will tell you now more about the variable names, and this is really very important topic because all the project is depend on this variable. Okay, look, a variable can have a short name like X or Y or Z, whatever you want to take. Okay, or you can even take some descriptive name also like age, car name, or volume. Okay, but there are certain rules of precautions while taking a Python variable into the consideration. Okay, so all whatever are the rule is, I will tell you one by one so that you could understand it very clearly. Okay, first thing you must understand that a variable name must start with a letter or a underscore character. Okay, it starts with a letter or a character. Okay, second thing you must understand that it cannot be start with a number, cannot be start with a number. Okay, third thing, it can only contain a numeric character or underscore, not every character. Okay, so let me write this. It can only contain alphanumeric and underscore values like a to z. Okay, or you can say 0 to 9, or even you can use this underscore. Okay, I'll tell you example by example. I'll show you everything, don't worry. I'm just writing here a theory part so that you could understand very easily. Okay, another thing is it's very case sensitive. Okay, variables are very case sensitive, that I told you in the previous video also. Okay, and I apologize for my spelling because I am totally focusing on the teaching, not spelling. Okay, and one more thing, it cannot be changed to the Python keyword. Okay, Python keyword are like print is a Python keyword. So don't even try to give the name of any variable of print. Okay, print can't be a variable because it is a Python keyword, so don't use this. It cannot be of the Python keyword. Okay, and apart from this there are much more things. So now I'll tell you by practical what I am saying actually. Like, just suppose if you'll write my var, so my var, just suppose you will write Sharad, so my var is good, you can write, it is a acceptable keyword. Okay, it not comply between these things because it is start with letter or a character, cannot start with a number. Okay, so like this I am showing you all the types, means only on those type you will have to choose the correct variable. My var, okay, you can write, you can use my underscore var also. Okay, just suppose here I'll write 5. Even you can choose underscore my underscore var, this can also be acceptable. Okay, you can use my then var, it is also acceptable, equal to 1 or something. Okay, you can use my var, it is also acceptable. You can use my var 2, at the last. You can use a number or a numeric value at the last, not in the front. Okay, this is also acceptable. Okay, so these are acceptable. You will not get any error. Look, if I'll run this, I'm not getting any error. Okay, I'm not printing it, I'm just running for getting that I'm not getting any error. Okay, but errors, let me show you what the errors are. If you will write a number in front like 2 myvar, just 2, it will show you the error. Let me run this. Look, it is saying error, invalid syntax. Okay, and if you will use, let me comment this first again, otherwise it will show me the error. My hyphen var, again it will show me the error. Look, my var cannot assign to the operator. Okay, I told you you have to choose only underscore values, alphanumeric and underscore values. Okay, so this thing you cannot do. The third thing is my then space var. You cannot use space also. If I'll run this, invalid syntax, same error. Okay, so don't even try to use these 3 types. Try to get in between these types so that you could not get any error. Okay, and remember one more thing which I told you, these variables names are case sensitive. Okay, and this one, we call this thing as a camel case. Okay, and there is one more Pascal case. This is a Pascal case where the things are capitalized. Okay, like just suppose, let me tell you, M, Y and then var. Both the first letter are in capital form. Okay, so these are called basically, let me write it, Pascal case. Okay, and this is camel case. This I am telling you because you need to know the basic of variable. Okay, and this is a snake case, this one. Okay, this one is a snake case. Let me write this, SNAKE, snake case. Okay, so these 3 types of cases are basically in the variables. Okay, so now this variable topic ended here. In the next video, I'll tell you about how to assign multiple values to a single variable, because here you are assigning a single value to a single variable. But now in the next video, I will tell you how to assign a multiple values to a single variable. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.